Kua whakarewa ake te kaupapa when Puanga Rises ki tētahi o ngā ware toi o Ngāmotu.
Yeah, so Puanga is our guiding whetū here in Te Taihaua Uru. So as a kai mara, our kai has come in, we've harvested. It's now in storage, so it's in the pātaka kai. And it's a time to have a kai together, kai tahi, and to enjoy the fruits of the labour that's been happening over the last sort of 6-7 months.
E rongonui ana a Pauna Muskiatin o te ātiawa me Taranaki, uri noa I te maungati tō ea moana mai wakaora I te tinana, au ake o ki ngā ua o te whenua.
So it's my hope and wish that people come to this interesting 5-course dinner, which has been crafted, mai te whenua ki te tina. I want people to enjoy the kai, so evoke all of the senses.
Food is my love language, so it's really important, and it came from my mum. So yeah, my mum, my best friend, she passed away a long time ago, but so a lot of this is actually to honour her as well, because she was an amazing cook.
Ko Teresa Julian o Taranaki me Ngāti Maniapoto, tētahi kai tunu kai, hei tāna nā tōna māma tōna aro anui ki te kai I wakato.
They're all going to be beautiful, and also to celebrate a lot of the kai that Pounamu has grown as well. So a lot of that has come into it with her kumara especially, and we've got horepeto and we've got kawakawa infused into different dishes.
That's always my intention, is that people will be inspired to move towards either mara kai or to shop locally for and purchase from other people that have grown the kai, or to celebrate with their own whānau with beautiful kai and to make it special.
Ko te manoko nui ka waiwai aere e nei tangata I te maramataka Māori, ka kite ngā ua o ngā whetū ki ngā ua o te mara kai. Phoenix Manly Green, Tai Uru News.